Hey there, today I wanted to go over global sections and section templates within HighLevel. We're going to be using our favorite white label version of HighLevel, which is Cilantro. So let's get into it. So you can find those in the website and funnel editor. You're going to press this little plus button that says add elements, and you'll see them on the side. We have global sections and section templates. So global sections here are pieces that are going to be the same across all of the pages within that one website or all of the pages within that one funnel. So you can think of them sort of like reusable blocks on WordPress, but you do have to create a new global section for each website or for each funnel that you do. You know that you have a global section. I'm going to click off of this when the section is purple. Scroll to the bottom because it's easier to see. So you see the outline here is purple, like a dark purple. Normally it is this green. When it is this dark purple, that means that it is considered a global section. And the benefit of these global sections is any change that you make within this, once you update it, it'll change across all of those pages that have this global section. Now, like I said, you have to create a global section for each funnel or each website. But what you can do is you can save them as a section template, which will make it easier for you when you are creating new websites or funnels because you could just use that section template. So to create either one, you're going to select, I'll do this green one that we haven't done yet. You're going to make sure that you have the green part selected, and then you're going to press this little save button. And here you get to name it. So this one, we're just going to call this reviews. Name it whatever you want to, as long as it makes it easy for you to know what it is. And then here you pick if you want to put it in the section template or the global sections. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this template and save. So now if I go to add, we see that it's not in the global sections, but if I click section templates, we now see this reviews one here. I can also add it in the global, and I will name it the same, reviews and global section. So why would I add it to both? Well, that would be because the global, again, is only within the one website that you're building or the one funnel. So what I would do when I'm building something, I would grab the section template into the funnel, save that as a global section. So then going forward with the other steps, I would just use this one, the global section here. Because the section template, it's just a template. It doesn't actually save any changes across the others. But the global sections is the one that changes, that saves the changes. So let's show an example of that. So this is saved here. Whoop. This one is saved as it's the green one. So, or sorry, it's the purple. This one is the global. So I'm going to change the background color so that we can see the difference. And I'm going to go with this purple, just because purple's pretty. Okay, so now I move my face out of the way. I press save. Okay, I'm going to go to a different page. You can do that easily by clicking this in the middle and it'll bring up all the pages. So just for fun, I'm just going to go to this about page here. Okay, so we're here on the about page. Now, if we go the plus button here, we will see that we still have our reviews in the global sections and then also in this section template here. So I just wanted to show you the difference between them. So I changed that global one to be this purple color. So I'm gonna find somewhere else. Maybe I'll stick it right here. So we're gonna press the plus and we're gonna use the global, and I'm just gonna drag and drop it here. And now you can see that this is the purple one that is on my home page. Now, to show you the difference between the global and the section templates, this one was saved before the purple was updated. So when I bring it over, it will not have a purple background because it does not update the templates across. So that's the difference between section templates and global sections. The global sections are something that can be updated across all the pages within the same website or all the pages within the same funnel. The section template is going to be something that's going to be more of a template, and it will have your starter. And then if you change it, it will not update across all of the places it's used. It will just be updated in that funnel, but you'll have that same structure. Okay, so I wanted to show you another example of the global section versus the section template. So I am here in my funnel section, and I'm just going to go into this coming soon funnel. So this is one that has already been made, but has not used any of it has not used the section templates or the global section. Just as an example, we're going to stick with using that review section template that we created. This is just a very, very basic page here. And I think if I was going to put reviews in, I would put them under the introduction here. So I'm just going to go to the plus button here to add elements. And then we have, just like before, we have our global sections that we can look at and the section templates. But you notice that there are no global sections in here. That is because this particular funnel does not have any global sections. However, we will find our reviews section template. So just like I showed before in the website builder, we're going to pull over the section template. We can change it to whatever we want to. Let's go ahead and do a different background. Let's go with a light purple because I like purple. And then we're going to save this one as a global section. So I'm going to name it just a little bit different so it's kind of easier visually to see, but we're going to save that. So now, just like before, this is a dark purple. Make sure that we press save on our template here. Okay, and then we're going to switch to the next page. Okay, so now we're in the next page here, and I'm going to go ahead and add it at the bottom again. And now we'll see that we have our reviews global coming soon that we just created. We also still have it here, the base one in the template. So if we drag this one over, then it is going to be that same one that we did with the purple. Because it's a global one, I don't remember if I went over this or not, but because it's global, we can change the color here. Say we want to go with the pink and then press save. Now, if we go back to the coming soon, we scroll back down to our reviews section, and now we see that it's pink instead of purple. So that was another example of using the section template and global sections in a funnel. Okay, so I wanted to show one more example of using the global sections and section template within a brand new funnel. So I created this test funnel here with the one page. I'm going to press create from blank and we'll go into it. So once again, our global sections here are empty, but our section templates here, we still have. So the benefit here of using the section templates is that if you have an element that you consistently use, you can save it as a section template and use it across various funnels and websites, which is really convenient. So we're going to go ahead and pull over this reviews one. And just like before, we can change the colors and do all the things. And if we wanted to make it so that we could use it across any other pages that we create within this funnel, we would just save it as a global section within this funnel, just like we did previously. There you have it. Now you know how to use global sections and section templates within any HighLevel platform. So we hope that this was helpful for you. Go forth and create with ease within your funnels and websites. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload our next tips and tricks. See you then.